You guys, it's finally here. You guys have been, I even had a couple people get mad. Look, why ain't you telling me what kind of spray gun you're using? You guys have asked, and I have delivered. Every single time you guys ask, I deliver. I try and do the best I can. You guys, it's finally here. You guys have been, I even had a couple people get mad. Look, why ain't you telling me what kind of spray gun you're using? You guys have asked, and I have delivered. Every single time you guys ask, I deliver. I try and do the best I can. We are officially launching another sub $200 spray gun. All these guns I've ever launched have come ready to spray in the box. We have got the Black Spider. Guys, when it comes to spray guns, I gotta tell you, the sub $200 spray gun market is very hard because either you're buying a diamond or you're buying a piece of horse crap. These spray guns are tried and true. The Mark 1 Eco I have had in my collection, and I've been spraying with nothing but this spray gun for the last almost half decade. I launched this gun when I was 27 years old. Almost every single car in my collection has been sprayed with the Mark 1 Eco. It is a phenomenal spray gun. It is a durable spray gun. It is a gun that is going to get you professional results right at home for under $200. And like I said, ready to spray. There is no going to the hardware store. There is no going to Harbor Freight and, oh, we got to find what air fittings we need. Oh, we got to get a regulator. None of that. You get this thing or the Black Spider or the Eco in the mail, you are ready to spray paint. As I said in my last video, I have been using the same paint gun and the same paint for almost the last half decade. This is not a gimmick. This is not a, hey, I'm going to put something new on my page every single month. No. Very rarely do I throw you guys some cornballs, and you guys saw I sprayed my F-150 with that. It was the Vevor turbine. I have had a couple of other random guns on the page just to help you guys out. For those of you guys that truly don't have the money to get a professional spray gun, simply just to help you guys out. But mark my words, when I'm going for a professional job, I am grabbing the Mark 1 Refinished Products spray guns. These guns are so good. I do not have any actual name brand guns in my shop at all. I don't have any Sadas. I don't have any Iwatas. These guns are so good, I sold my Segola. And to those of you guys that know me personally, y'all know I love me a Segola 4600 Extreme. I will say they are the bee's knees. For the price point, these guns take the cake. Both of these spray guns will give you a 95% performance match of almost any name brand spray gun on the market at over half of the cost. Got the Black Spider, Mark 1 Eco, freshly restocked. I got plenty of these around. For those of you guys that are the original Mark 1 Eco fans, no worries. I had just restocked these, so you guys can get plenty of those. Those of you guys that are desiring something black, we got the Black Spider. We got you. I'm coming out with some additional options for the Mark 1 refinished product spray gun kits. So bare bones, the gun is going to come with a gun, a regulator, air fittings, and a standard plastic cup. Available for an extra $30, so it's going to come out to $229.99. You're going to get 2 of these inline special desiccant filters and a PPS adapter. You guys can go ahead, and you guys already know where to get your cups. Speedokote.com, we have every single size in the world. Before you guys go quacking and say, I can get an inline filter Harbor Freight for $5. These are not your regular inline filters. These things are top dog. Let me show you guys how easy these refeed compared to the crappy ones at Harbor Freight. So all you do, you twist the top. And you got a little filter here which might trap any like small particles of oil or dirt or anything like that. You pour the desiccant beads in, okay? So open this up. If these come in pink in the mail, don't worry about it. Just throw them in your oven for about 10 minutes or so. Pour them in, okay? Put your other filter right on top, just like so. And screw it on. Now tell me that's not worth the extra money. Tell me that's not worth the extra couple bucks you're going to spend, and you're going to get it shipped to your door, everything in one kit. You don't have to go here for one thing and go there for another thing. Everything is going to come in one kit, ready to go. You open the box, you're ready to go. Now how tested, tried, and true are these? Well, if you guys have watched my mobile auto body content, sometimes I show the content I do with my other business ventures, whatever. I have been using the Mark 1 Eco. When I'm mobile, I don't run a regulator because the work doesn't have to be perfect. It's a little scratch and spray, get it good. So I put this on my gun with no other filtration device. I'm running the Vevor 6.6 gallon. Before that, I was running the McGraw Harbor Freight 20 gallon oiled air compressor with this and no other filtration. I never got fish eyes. I never had paint problems. This filter is all you need. If you're spraying DIY at home, this is the best inline filter money can buy. This is the best one you're going to get. This is not a gimmick. This is not a sale. This is not something some company just sent me a couple weeks ago and hey, put this on your YouTube page and try it out. No. This product I have used with my company, okay? My company, for years, I have used the same filter. Going on almost actually 3 years, because I started my mobile auto body company in January of 2022. It is now, we're almost halfway through 2024. So coming up on 3 years, and I've never had paint problems. So this is going to be the Pro Kit. So when you are emailing me to place your order, you're going to go ahead and you're going to specify whether you want the standard kit or if you want the Pro Kit. Unfortunately, at the time, I don't have any PPS adapters for the Eco. So those of you guys, if you just want a cheap spray gun, $189.99, you're still going to get a spray gun that's ready to go. Those are my guys out there in body shops, your mobile auto body technicians, or you're just at home and you want the extra edge. You want the PPS adapter system. These do work. These adapters work with our PPS cups that Speedokote sells. Even if you're just at home, but you want that extra edge, even if you already have, I have a 4-stage air filtration system on my air compressor, 4-stage, 1 gallon of desiccant beads. Guess what? On a super hot and humid day, I'm still throwing this on my gun as extra assurance, just in case that thing has some kind of crap
crack come through the line that you can't see, this is going to be your final step of reassurance. So we're going to have the Pro Kit, $229.99 if you want the standard, just like the Eco with just a spray gun, air fittings, regulator, and a cup. Both of these guns going to be your choice, your option. $189.99 shipped to your door for free. Steal of the century. As for the MV1, I have 2 of these left in stock if anybody wants them. They are going to be marked. I believe they are, I think I marked them down to like 33% off. You can get the gun, the regulator, and the air fittings for, I think it's like $167. But I only got 2, so don't get your kitty cats all wound up about that. As for the Mark 1 Eco and the Black Spider, guys, extremely limited stock. Okay, there's 250,000 people a month watching my YouTube page, and we have over 26,000 subscribers. They are not going to last. If you want the best spray gun under $200 on the market, you got to email me at cash2kcars@gmail.com. I'm going to put my email in the description. Guys, please, the email is for orders only. If you have questions, please post them below in the video. That way I can specify who's ready to buy and who wants to ask questions. Simple as that. Doing a quick screen record of how to shoot me an email. Guys, this is email direct. These guns are not for sale to the public. These are only for sale to my YouTube subscribers because these guns are to help you guys out. I don't want to deal with eBay. I don't want to deal with Amazon. I don't want to deal with all the crickets and, you know, commotion and blah, 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 and return this. No. This is subscriber exclusive. You're subscribed to my YouTube page. You can get this gun. You can email me directly. All the orders will be done through Cash App. That's my only form of payment method, or direct mail check to my address. I'm going to go ahead real quick. I'm going to stop filming, and I'm going to go ahead and do a quick screen record of how to type the email. I'm going to need a couple pieces of information: your telephone number, your shipping address, which kit you want, and then also your Cash App information and all that stuff, so I can send you a request, or I can go ahead and email you a screenshot of my Cash App, and you can go ahead and just send the funds. All orders are going to take anywhere from 5 to 10 business days to ship. As you guys know, I have multiple business ventures that I'm involved in. I have my own company. I'm now sales rep for Speedokote part-time, very, very casual position, as I explained to you guys in my last video. I have the YouTube stuff that I'm doing here back at the shop. I have my fingers involved in everything. So give me some time with shipping. If you guys know you guys have got a project that is coming up next month, order now. As I said, 5 to 10 business day shipping, so you'll get your gun in anywhere from a week to 2 weeks. And that's worst case scenario. Some days if I'm not doing anything, if you guys order, it'll get shipped out same day. All right, so that's it. That's the reveal. You guys have been wanting to know for weeks what mysterious spray gun. I had the yellow, yellow tape on, and there you go. Black Spider. Get it? I'll be looking forward to chatting with you guys, helping you guys out, and getting you guys a awesome spray gun for professional and DIY use that is going to work for you. Guns are my company. Eventually, at some point, there's a very small possibility we might be able to actually get these on the Speedokote website. That way, you guys can just order everything in one spot. No big promises, but I'm going to try and get that to happen for you guys just for the convenience. If you guys are ordering any Speedokote products on the website, all you have to do is go to www.speedokote.com. If you're looking for the best, most affordable, and most user-friendly auto body and detail products in the world, head there, complete your order, select me as your sales rep, and all the proceeds are going to go back into my YouTube page and help and show you guys how to fix cars and make your car great again. That's it. That wraps it up. I will catch you guys on the next video. All right, guys, so here's a quick example of how to place an order for your spray gun. You're going to type spray gun order in your email subject. There's my email above, cash2kcars. So Bob, I believe Jones is what I put here. Bob Jones is going to order a Mark 1 Pro kit. He's going to get the Black Spider. His address is 111 blah 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 street. Okay. He's going to type in the spray gun he wants, Mark 1 Black Spider. He's going to get the Pro Kit. Now we're going to go ahead, second to last, he's going to type in his Cash App information. And at that point, I'll email back Bob Jones, hey, I sent you a request for X amount of dollars, or I will send you a screenshot of my Cash App, and you can go ahead and just send payment. And there's Bob Jones' phone number. So there's your tutorial of how to order. I will catch you guys on the next video.